Guaranteed to trim better with Wahl's Cordless Rechargeable Beard Trimmer. Never worry about dull blades with this precision trimmer. Its self-sharpening solid steel blades produce unbeatable results. It also comes coated in a brushed nickel finish for longer lasting durability. Get the beard that fits your style with a guide for every look. Use the stubble guide for a 2-day growth look, the medium guide for a short and clean look, the full guide for a thick and even beard, or the 6-position guide to achieve lengths from 1/16 to a ½ inch thick. To preserve the battery life of this trimmer during travel, it comes equipped with a travel lock switch. This added feature helps prevent the trimmer switch from turning on in a travel bag. To turn the trimmer on, press the red travel lock and push the switch up. To turn the trimmer off, press the travel lock and push the switch down. You can also go corded or cordless with this unit. Plug the trimmer in to charge and unplug when ready to use for cordless convenience, or keep it plugged in during use for a constant stream of power. This precision trimmer has everything you need to better trim your beard. Pick up your cordless rechargeable beard trimmer today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.